Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine Florentino, your PH broker. Today, I'm sharing a heartwarming story kung paano nagsimula ang simpleng salubong sa airport into our real estate investment journey. Let's go! A few days ago, sinundo namin ang pinsan ko sa airport. Isa siyang seaman na kakauwi lang galing abroad. Pagdating sa bahay, nagsalo-salo kami sa hapunan, kwentuhan, catch up, at syempre napag-usapan ng anak niyang teenager na malapit na rin mag-college. Habang nagkikwento siya, naisip kong i-offer ang idea ng real estate investment, isang condo unit na pre-selling at malapit sa mga university belt. Nahagi ko sa kanya ang benefits of owning a condo like ideal location, affordable monthly amortization, potential for passive income, magagamit ang anak niya pagdating ng college, and most especially, long-term asset kahit siya ay nasa abroad. Nagustuhan niya ang idea, practical, and future-ready ang investment. After a few minutes of discussion, nagbigay na siya kagad ng reservation. So that's how one simple family dinner turned into smart investment move. Kaya kung may mga kapamilya rin kayo na gusto mag-plan for the future and gusto mag-invest ng property, let's talk. Message me on Facebook at Catherine Florentino or call and text 0917-140-5393. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.